Very simple question. Talking about how do you love Indonesia? Well, talking about Indonesian product. Do you love Indonesian product or not?
That's all.
What kind of that? A batik or what?
Okay, alright. Thank you very much for the golden opportunity to answer the question like this. Very, very important question, very superlative question. In case of the products of Indonesian people, for product like technology product like that, technology product, Indonesian people still don't get a good product until now. That's why many Indonesian people, although they are loved for this country, they still buy overseas abroad products from abroad because we are not good. We're still not good at technology products, technology product appliances. I still buy other products from other countries because the reason is the product from our country is not not competitive and not competitive yet, and that's the product is not it's not standing, it's not durable. It's durable. That's why I still buy products from other countries. In terms of products from our country, like fruits, yeah, we can buy fruits from Sare, that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
instead of buying from Germany, you can buy food from our local areas. I think that's all.
That's it. All right.